Good evening, everyone. I see a lot of familiar faces here, the Johnny brothers, our friends from the media. We appreciate your presence here, and it's good to see you guys.
Okay, and of course, Nino and Red, congrats for the Euphoria Max. Here's some questions from our friends from the entertainment press. Unahin na natin, of course, the editor of Manila Bulletin. And, syempre, eto, Mr. Jojo Panaligan.
I've always wondered sa yung mga ganitong supplements, is it for any age or may limit? Halimbawa, if you're 40 up, can you still use it? Or kasi I heard na it might cause palpitations, or is that true?
Yeah, it's quite safe from the age 14 and up. 18 and 14 and 18 is okay.
14 up.
Yeah, 14 up, yeah. And it's got, you take 2 capsules before you work out. You drink a lot of water to wash anything out, but there's no side effects. It only helps you get lean, strong muscle, and extra energy. So I hope that answers your question.
Yes, it does.
Well, of course, as a general rule, with any types of supplements, if you really are, if you really have a serious medical heart conditions, you of course really need to check with your physician first. So.
Nino, it really helps na talaga na para mas makapag-exercise ka. Lalo na pag si Anthony and David, no? Tinidevelop talaga nila yung abs nila, di ba? So, talagang malaking tulong siya.
Yeah, of course. Iba-ibang Euphoria Max natin as actually may kanya-kanyang benefits and roles. Like the L-arginine, yung nauna nating nilaunch sa market. It really help you boost the nitric oxides and really help you pump up all the muscles. So, I guess nakikita naman kay Anthony the results of.
Yeah, I actually take it before my basketball games. And before, when I didn't know about Euphoria Max, I felt like I was missing the extra energy, the extra push before my games, and I felt tired, I'll lose this energy. Then I started taking Euphoria Max, and it really, really helped with my endurance and strength and energy and focus during the game, so yeah.
Okay,
And
yes,
with our lifestyle right now, we're quite tired with work or stressed out with something, any issues we have. Supplements like Euphoria can help you boost your energy firstly. So I think it's the performance at the end of the day that really matters. After that, that's the time you get the result.
yeah, like si Anthony, no? Right now you're studying, di ba?
Yes.
So talaga yung energy nakukuha mo dito that you're busy with your basketball, you have may business ka, then nag-study ka pa.
Yeah. So it's good even just not in the gym. Even if you're working, in the office and that, you need that energy, take Euphoria Max. It's going to help you.
Kanina kasi you mentioned na talagang it really helps you and David sa pag-develop ng abs nyo, no? Kasi si Mr. Isared, the president of Speed, he's very curious now. Bakit ngayon hindi mo raw may display yung body mo? Pwede raw bang pakihubad yan?
Sample, sige.
Can you take it off, please? Then, next is, okay. And since wala si David, there's a surprise po. Si Nino ang next na magtatanggal. Okay, Nino? Hindi siya kasali. Anyways, para mas ma-appreciate nila, huwag mo na isuot. Okay? So, and here's the next question coming from Michael John Bueno, top blogger. He has 200 followers. No, I'm just kidding. He has 201 actually. Okay, John, Michael John.
Maybe the people from the pharmaceutical company can answer. I used quite a couple of products, and it's very expensive, especially the internationally distributed ones. What are the prices of your products, and can you compare them with the current ones that are out in the market?
Well, actually, all the prices of Euphoria Max is very, very competitive. We match it with the kung ano yung kaya sa budget ng bawat Pilipino. So it's very, very competitive, especially it's with Watsons. So yeah,
Is this gonna be exclusively distributed by them?
this is exclusively distributed by Watsons actually kasi wala namang ibang store na no one else. No other stores comes close with Watsons kasi Watsons and Margin shares the same vision, you know, of helping every Filipino look and feel better. So
What activities do you have planned for this year? Are you gonna go directly to the gyms? And of course, these are, you know, used by people who usually go to the gyms. Are you gonna go to the places where they work out and present somehow?
actually, we really actually plot a very, very good campaign with Watsons. So yun. So well, we trust naman with when our partnership with Watsons, this campaign is going to be very, very effective. And when it comes to wellness, the people naman tends to go to Watsons to get all of these supplements.
Have you already done like human trials in the past few years before you actually set this up to the market, or are there like official clinical trials, or since this is
Are there any clinical trials with Euphoria Max, right?
Yes.
Tama ba? Did I get that question right? Well, each and every ingredients na laman formulated sa Euphoria Max is actually really, really safe. And we source out a very, very, from different countries with a very, very premium quality. So we really make sure na bago namin i-blend to as part of our formula, we visited the manufacturer, the raw materials manufacturer, we do our audit, we make sure they also follow the CGMP standards.
Okay, so in a nutshell, no trials yet for the like Filipino. Maybe on him, maybe you've done it. Have you personally used it, Anthony?
Oh yes, definitely.
Which one is like your favorite?
Sorry,
Which variant is your favorite?
Euphoria Max. Yeah, the L-arginine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
So yeah, I mean, before actually, as I mentioned, I wasn't taking it when I didn't know about it for PBA before my games. I would feel very tired, no energy, and then I started taking it. I really felt the difference, and my performance went up another level.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Actually, Michael John Bueno, Francine, di ba binigyan mo ako ng ng Euphoria Max, remember? Before I went to London, di ba? Alam mo, nakapaglakad ako ng 39 kilometers, shock ako talaga. It helps me a lot. Kaya I lost more than 40 pounds na nandun ako. Grabe, oo. So nakintindihan ko na pag gumamit ka nito, kahit siguro 8 hours ka sa gym, kaya mo. Anyways, eto dahil inspired na si Isa Red, na nagubad na si Anthony. So magtatanong siya.
I have one concern. Do these variants of Euphoria Max safe for people who do not go into physical activities, like you do not exercise? Is that you can also take it?
Basically, yeah, it is safe for people who, you know, who's not into really working out every day. But of course, this product are really formulated to give you the extra energy, to give you the extra boost, so you can pop up at the gym. So if you like, for example, you really want to take the creatine monohydrate, dapat magamit talaga ng body mo yung creatine monohydrate na pinasok natin.
So what happens to your body if you keep on taking the capsule, and do not engage in any physical activity? What will it do to your body? Will you have any side effects?
Withdrawal side effects? No, really, it's really safe though. It's safe, and back to your question, if you're not really into active exercise,
I used to, but no longer. I'm no longer into
if you're really, if you don't really exercise and you want to gain muscles, it's just quite, that's magic. Although there's one variant of Euphoria Max that can be taken by those people who don't exercise. That's L-arginine. L-arginine has a good antioxidant effect, which is decreases blood supply. So it also somehow good for those people who are quite tired or stressed out.
For example, you go into this with the machines offered in beauty clinics like the thermogenic or something like that. Will it help you achieve that kind of body that Anthony has?
But of course, we still need to really
Exercise.
do exercise. Yeah.
Because this sports nutrition, this formula, are only here to support your performance. Because at the end of the day, what really matters is how you do at the gym, what you really do. So it's here to just support your high intensity training. So it's always important kung ano yung magiging resulta is, but also up to you kung paano mo susuportahan yung sarili mo for the workout.
I'd like to ask Anthony, to be able to get into that kind of fit, Anthony, you have lots of males here, no? What is your recommended dosage of visit to the gym to be able to achieve that kind of body that many of us are desiring to have?
Well, there's actually a saying, it's not how much you work out. Abs are made in the kitchen. So, syempre naman, you need to have the right diet, have the right meal plan, and a little bit of light resistance training. So it doesn't have to be every day. It can be maybe every second day or 3 times a week, but just something to keep active. And there's also been a study showing that if a particular individual can work out or be active for at least 7 hours in a week, you're 40% less likely to die early versus to someone working out for 30 minutes a week.
In your case, how many years were you able to achieve the perfect physique that you have now?
To be honest, it's when I started taking Euphoria Max. Yeah,
Really?
before I used to be on the edge. Like, I've been missing something. Like, I wanted that next step to get that rippedness, that tightness, that strength, that energy. And yeah, when I started taking Euphoria Max, it really did. It really helped. So now,
So are you still working out and doing some more to be able to achieve something better than what you have now?
no, it's just the same because I practice every day for 3 hours and I go to my weights training and then I take Euphoria Max to help me do that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have any energy to do that at all. It's a long day.
Okay, thank you, Anthony.
Thank you.